Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can install the VLC media player on a Windows 11 PC. Now there's two ways we can do the installation. We have the option of installing, so we can install through the Microsoft Store. This is a quick and easy way, and then we have the second option is by going to the official website and then downloading the player. The second option is the recommended option if you want to get the latest version of the VLC media player. Let's look at the first option or method. You need to open your Microsoft Store. You can go to your start, click on the start menu, and you should see it here under pinned by default, or you can search for it. So there it is. So this is the Microsoft Store. What you want to do is you want to search for VLC media player, then click on this, and then it's going to give you a list of apps. This is what you want, VLC. It's free. Click on it, and now you have the option to install. So you can click install, and then that should be it. Okay, let's look at the second option or second method. We'll need to open a browser, and then you need to go to the official website for VLC. The official website is videolan.org. When you get to the site, you see here you have the option to download VLC. You can click on this, and you see it says your download will start in a few seconds, and it just started. That's the file. It's a .exe file. It's done. This by default, this is gonna download into your downloads folder. Once the download is completed, open your file explorer and go to downloads. You should see your .exe file. Now to install it, you can just double click on it. So once you double click on it, you'll get this pop-up. It says, do you want to allow this app? You can look at the details, more details here. It's just going to show you more information about the file or the application. Just click yes here, and you need to select the language. Click OK. Okay, so this is the setup wizard. Click next. Next. I'm just gonna go with the defaults here. Next. This is the destination folder where it's gonna install it. Install. You can run, or you can just finish. Okay, now if I go to the start menu, let's see if we have it. It's not there. Let's look at VLC. There it is. So that's how you can search for it. You can right click on it, and then you can pin to taskbar, you can pin to start. I just pinned it to the start. I can right click and pin to taskbar, and you should see it here. Now if I go to start, I should see it, and it's also here. So depending on which one you prefer, where you prefer to have it. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna click open here. So this is it's asking if you want it to allow metadata network access, and if you want to have it check for updates. So you can just click continue, and this is the player. So you can use this to play your videos on your Windows 11 PC. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install VLC media player on your Windows 11 PC. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.